Hey guys, welcome to Delaney Auto. Here we have a fresh trade. This is a 2015 Hyundai Sonata SE. This thing is certified. That means you get the full 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. This does have the wraparound headlights. It has the daytime running lights on the front. It also has your wraparound tail lights. The side mirrors on here are full breakaway, so they brake both forward and backwards on there. It does have the aluminum wheel package. That's just some of the great outside features. Let's talk about some of the inside features on this vehicle. All right, guys, starting at the trunk here, you can see we have the wraparound tail lights here. This trunk is very, very easy to open. Touch of a button, swings right up. As you can see, this is a very, very spacious trunk, but not only that, you actually have these pull tabs here where you can drop the rear seats down and get extra storage capacity for the trunk. Underneath here, then, there's a nice little storage area for any smaller objects so they're not rolling around in your trunk while you're driving. In the rear seats, we do get three-seater in the back. That means this is all cloth seating back here. You do have the center armrest as well as the cup holders back there as well. Swinging up to the front, this vehicle does have power windows, power locks, and power mirrors. It is an AM, FM, and SiriusXM satellite radio on here. This does have two different drive modes as well, so you have both comfort mode and sport mode. And that's just some of the great features in here. And that was just some of the great features of this Sonata. Now, to really get a feel for it, you need to sit in it, maybe take it for a little drive. I'll be here to help you out. This vehicle will be available up at our Hyundai store. My name is Scott Blasco. Phone number here is 724-465-9193. Thanks, guys. Hope to see you soon. Have a good one.